Oh my god, guys, I can't believe we got Prime. Jack, go ahead and pour it.
Strawberry watermelon too. Let's just do a little bit for each person.
Okay, so let's try it. So it smells very fruity, just like all the other Prime flavors. Now let's taste it. It tastes just like strawberry. I don't get that much watermelon coming through. I would probably give it maybe a 9.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Has some room for improvement. Also, I can really taste the coconut water in it. And I'm still so shocked that it's only 25 calories. It's really shocking. But it tastes really good. So that's been me, Liam's Life, over and out. In the next video, we're going to do something crazy. I'll just give you a clue. It's about to be my half-term break, so I might be going away. Bye-bye!